City of Seven Islands, Mumbai. Seven Islands namely Kolaba, Majagaon, Mahim, Parel, Bombay Island, Worli and Old Women Island. City of Weavers, Panipat. Panipat is called the city of weavers as it produces textile and carpets. It is the biggest center of qualities, blankets, carpets in India has the handloom weaving industry. City of Deccan Queen, Pune. Pune is known as Queen of Deccan because of its historical, social, culture and political importance and its picture surroundings in the Deccan. Egg Bowl of Asia, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is known as the egg bowl of Asia because it is the largest producer of egg in India. Garden City of India, Bangalore. Bangalore is nicknamed the Garden City for its garden and parks and once called a pensioners paradise. Spice Garden of India, Kerala. Spice Garden of India as it is known for producing great varieties of spices. The spices are exported from Kerala to all parts of the world. Gateway of India, Mumbai. The Gateway of India is an arch monument built during the 20th century in Bombay, India. Golden City of India, Jaisalmer. It is called the Golden City because the yellow golden sand gives a golden shadow to the city and its neighboring areas. Golden Temple of India, Amritsar. Maharaja Ranjit Singh, after founding the Sikh Empire, rebuilt it in marble and copper in 1809 and overlaid the center with gold foil in 1830. This has led to the name of the Golden Temple. Heaven of India, Jammu and Kashmir. It called heaven on earth an account of its breathtaking beauty. India's northernmost state, Jammu and Kashmir, draw in tourists an account of its majestic valley landscape and splendid weather. Pink City, Jaipur. Jaipur is known as the Pink City due to the dominant color scheme of its building. Hollywood of India, Mumbai. The term is the portmanteau of Bombay and Hollywood. Bollywood is one of the largest centers of film production in the world. City of Nawabs, Lucknow. The Nawabs of Lucknow, in reality, the Nawabs of Awadh, acquired the name after the reign of the third Nawab when Lucknow became their capital. City of Palaces, Kolkata. Kolkata is known as the City of Palaces because of the number of buildings built by the British Raj during the 19th century. Boston of India, Ahmedabad. It got its name as Boston of India due to its rapidly growing economy, administration and development of the city. Steel City of India, Jamshedpur. Jharkhand is known as the Steel City of India because the first steel plant Tata was here. Jamshedpur was the first industrial city in India. City of Joy, Kolkata. City of Joy for its soulful embodiment of culture, love, mystery, respect, and definitely some amazing sweet delicious. City of Rallies, Delhi. Delhi is known as the city of rallies because after every few days there is strike against government or against some policy or some other things which alter into rallies. City of Diamond, Surat. Surat, famous for its diamonds cutting and polishing, is known as the Diamond City of India. Science City of India, Bangalore. This city is known as the Science City because of immense development in the field of science and technology. Green City of India, Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar has been accorded as the greenest capital city in Asia with more than 50% of its total area covered in trees. Silicon Valley of India, Bangalore. Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India because of its role as the nation's leading information technology IT exporter. Pittsburgh of India, Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur is called Pittsburgh of India because the city was designed by the Julian Candy, an engineer from Pittsburgh. Coal capital of India, Dhanbad, Jharkhand. Dhanbad, a city known as the coal capital of India due to the vast number of coal fields and strip mines. City of Lakes, Udaipur. Maharana Uday Singh, he was the 53rd ruler of the Mewar dynasty. The city is also known as City of Lakes because all of its natural lakes. Manchester of India, Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is known as the Manchester of India because of similarities with the well-known cotton textile center of Manchester, Great Britain. City of Pearls, Hyderabad. City of Pearls in India due to its booming pearls processing and trading industry that has been supplying the finest of pearls in jewelry to India and the rest of the world from more than 400 years. Tea City of India, Dibrugarh, Assam. Dibrugarh is the largest tea producer in the country, known as the Tea City of India. Dibrugarh is the perfect blend of natural beauty, tradition and culture. Land of Lychee, Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Known as the land of lychee and other neighboring districts account of more than 62% of India's lychees production, down from 70% in 2019. Evergreen City of India, Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram is located on the west coast of India near the extreme south of the mainland, referred by Mahatma Gandhi as the Evergreen City of India. Royal City of India, Patiala, Punjab. Patiala is located around the Qila Mubarak, the Fortunate Castle, constructed by the Sidhu Jat Sultan Ala Singh, who founded the royal dynasty of Patiala state in 1763 and after whom the city is named. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक और शेयर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और बेल बटन को दबाना ना भूलें।